here, in this video I'm going to tell you some adjectives by which you can replace usage of these words. Let's start with very happy. First, thrilled. Second, ecstatic. Third, elated. Fourth, overjoyed. Thrilled is used when we are happy and excited. Ecstatic and elated are used for joyful excitement. Overjoyed is used when we are full of happiness and joy. Now I'll tell you for very sad. First, devastated. Second, heartbroken. Third, disappointed. Fourth, dejected. Devastated is used when you were not expecting the sadness or shock. Heartbroken is used when someone close to you leaves you. Disappointed is used when we are unhappy. Dejected is used when we've lost hope. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like my video and subscribe the channel.